Edivision TV. Like, subscribe, share.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the family. If you're a returning viewer, hit the subscribe button. Please and thanks. So the JFF merry-go-round continues. This time, Rudolph Speed cries fake news as Speed dismisses Solskjaer and York rumours. Now, Jamaica Football Federation Technical Committee Chairman Rudolph Speed said it is very unlikely that any of the two former Manchester United stars, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer or Dwight York, will be the new Reggae Boyz head coach. And for some, we knew that York was out of the picture, but a lot of persons thought that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer would be the man in charge. But according to Speed, he is not. So according to Speed, Solskjaer is not the front runner, and Dwight York is not even in the race for the job. Fake news: Solskjaer is no front runner. We have almost completed interviews. We know who is the front runner, but we have other considerations that have to take place before we can get the person. He noted that they are still vetting the 5 candidates, but that ultimately the decision would come down to who the board choose. For other reasons, number 1 might not get through, so then we will go to number 2. But what we do, we always recommend to the board multiple persons. And we have 5, but 1 may be number 2 and 2 may be number 3, but all of them qualify. He also dismissed the possibility of Trinidadian football legend Dwight York getting the job. York has been making his desire to coach the Jamaican team known publicly, but Speed insists that he is not being considered. Ole is not the front runner, and York wasn't even interviewed. York has been interviewing himself, said Speed. Although the next JFF board meeting is scheduled for July 31st, Speed said it is possible that the new coach could be named before that. We have a board meeting on the 31st of this month, but that does not mean it cannot happen outside of a board meeting, because we can round robin the board. But right now, we are closing up shop and we have some good candidates. But I can tell you that it is not Ole or York. So fans will be left disappointing to hear that it's not the Manchester United legend Ole. And if the coach is better than Ole, we want to know who that coach is. But there are some questions. Did Ole Gunnar Solskjaer turn down the JFF offer? Because he's saying that he's not a front runner. Maybe because he turned it down. Who knows? Speed says the new coach can be named before the 31st. I'm hearing rumors that they already identified that coach, and that coach is in Jamaica, acclimatizing and moving around. Hence, we could get that news before July 31st. Another former Manchester United coach came up as well, René Molenstein. So he's an option. The Dutchman has been the assistant coach under Sir Alex Ferguson during those glory years. But again, we wait and see who could be that coach. JFF playing games with the media people. But please know that the JFF have their man. We have a coach in place. So don't let Rudolph Speed trick you. We already have the coach. Just a few minor things left to sort out, and the JFF will make their announcement. Who it is, tune in for the next video to find out. Alright, I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, my name is Tavia Gooden and I am one of the members of TagDat. TagDat is a Jamaican company that was established in 2022 with the vision of bringing Jamaican proverbs to life with imagery. We also do customized shirts, hats, and other items. You can find us on Instagram at TagDat22. You can send us a WhatsApp at 876-513-8229, or you can send us an email at tag.22@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eddie Vision TV.